Here we go. What do you see? It's the LEMFO LES3. It's got two different watch faces, analog and digital. It's got a fun section for sports with everything from walking, indoor running without GPS, outdoor running, cycling with GPS, all of those, swimming with laps, climbing with GPS. It's got more. Look at this. You got an onboard music player, weather built into the watch, alarm, stopwatch, even a compass. That's right. Camera, remote. You can take pictures from the watch, from your phone, heart rate, and settings, which include things like changing the watch faces, different languages, about, and user settings. That's it. Cool little watch, all waterproof, does a whole bunch of stuff, including, you ready for this? You can see it in the dark. That's right. The LEMFO LES3. Check it out.